Hi, my friends, it's us again. Today I want us to talk about, in life you might attend a lot of sermons, church sermons, but there's just that one preaching that you'll not forget for the rest of your life. I just want to share with you one sermon by Dr. Neves Mbumba, and the sermon was all about. He was preaching about where is the man who helped you. The question was, where is the man who helped you? So the preaching was all about that. When you read the top, don't forget the people who helped you when you were nobody. When you were nobody, then you become somebody. Don't forget the people who helped you to reach there. And then that preaching, it's really helping me right now. And when I think about it, sometimes we really forget the people who helped us in the times of our needs. We neglect them or we forget about them. And then when you think about it, when you were in need, those are the people that were there for you. When maybe you wanted school fees, they're the one to pay for school fees. And when you were in that bad situation, you needed prayers. First of all, when you need prayers, you always run to churches or to pastors or to the elder of the churches for prayers. But when after they prayed for you or you get your deliverance, you forget that they are the people who prayed for you. Or maybe you were in need and in poverty, and then you needed something, help from them. Then once you get the help from the church, most people, what I realized is that after certain people, they can come for church for help, for example, if they are in poverty, and after that, after they get the help from the church, they run away from church and then they get the help from there. Like if they don't have food, the pastor will give them food, and after they get the food, they tend to run out. In most cases, after the pastor or after a good Samaritan met their needs, they tend to run away from church. What am I trying to say here? What I'm trying to say is that don't forget the person or don't forget the man who helped you when you were in need. That person was there to rescue you. You understand my point? Thank you very much. That's just the tip I have for you. Don't forget the man who helped you. When you reach the top, think about the people who helped you before. Who were you before and who you are today? Who make you to be in that position where you are now is what you need to think about. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.